So I spent about a whole day taping everything off, and I believe I got everything taped off that I need to. I got the roof rack removed, got the rear bumper. You're probably wondering why I haven't replaced the rocker panels yet. Still trying to decide what to do. I'm kind of wanting to put a 2x6 piece of metal in here. I haven't really decided. And the bottom half will be bed lined, so that won't affect anything. I'll still be able to paint it. So if you'll remember before, I've actually painted the door jambs orange, and I was going to go with that, but I kept seeing a bunch of pictures of Jeep Cherokees with the desert tan color, and I really got to liking that. So I decided to go ahead and just get that color. And I think a matte color would do better, especially where it's just a off-road Jeep. Don't have to worry about tearing up the clear coat. And right here is the color I'm going to use. It's a desert tan. You can buy this at Walmart. So I'm going to very carefully get in the Jeep and take it behind the house and get ready to start spraying. Alright guys, so here is the color. I really like how it turned out. Alright, so I got everything peeled off. I really like the color a lot. So I got the door panels off. We need to paint these door jambs. And then I want to paint the bottom half with the bed liner. And I also want to do these quarter panels. I think it looks good when you bed line the quarter panels. Makes it look like it's got the armor on it. On the grill and stuff, we need to remove it and paint it with the bed liner also. You can see some of the paint's peeling off. Then I got the back bumper removed. We also need to paint it in the bed liner. Then we'll get it reinstalled. So right here is the undercoating I'm using. Alright, so the flares are on. I gotta do a little bit of adjustments on them, but they're on for now. I still want to do something to the hood. I ain't for sure exactly what yet. Probably bedline the sections of it. But I really like the way the Jeep turned out. I like the color a lot. So I'll probably go ahead and end this video. So guys, let me know what you think about the new paint. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.